Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is very interesting, positivity. See, in everyday life, we always talk about be positive. But actually, do we know what is positiveness? To understand positivity, we have to first understand what is negativity, so that we can avoid negativity and be positive towards the life. When we are positive towards the life, we enjoy the life because every moment is filled with happiness. And in all spheres, we succeed. So let us first try to understand what is negativity. Friends, negativity is nothing but the attitude in our own self which hurts us and even others. That is known as negativity. It's very simple. I think in today's world, I have always seen, say, a child or a teenager or a grown-up people or even old people, anger. I think the very biggest enemy is anger. But why we get angry? Do we know the cause of it? Yes. Very simple. When we want something and we don't get, we are very impatient and we blast. Why you are not giving me this? Even a child or teenager, suppose they want something, say a mobile phone. Mama, I want a mobile phone. But there is some limitations the parents can't explain you. And you don't want to see from their angle and you blast. You always say no to me. You'll never give me anything. But before that, be patient. Ask nicely to your parents, Mama, when you can give me then, I think that can solve the problem. You see, the environment will be beautiful. Happiness will be there. The second reason, according to me, that why I get angry is I want to do this. And if somebody doesn't allow you, finished. Your volcano comes out. But this volcano is nothing but destruction. Because every time whatever you want to do, the environment, the situation doesn't allow you to do it. Especially choosing for a vocation. The children want some vocation, the parents want them to go for another vocation. Then you go for so many counselors and they tell you something else, and then always there is a little bit strife. What I want to do, please let me do it. But sometimes we are not aware of our own capacity. First you understand your capacity, your efficiency level, and then you see, I want to do, you can do it successfully. But to convince others, it is not necessary to be angry. You can first analyze yourself, then take decisions, and then make others to understand you. A very simple thing, isn't that? But those 2-3 minutes, very important for us to make ourselves cool and calm. If we don't control our mind during those minutes, we are angry. We burst. We don't see anything. What will be the repercussion? No, we are not worried at that moment about it. Now the third point according to me is always what I want to say, everybody has to listen. Dear, Everybody thinks that they are perfect. They have perfect knowledge about everything. But I think this is not true. Whatever you say, everybody should listen or everybody should obey is not possible for anyone. Because you say according to your angle, your viewpoint, but other may have another viewpoint for the same thing. How can you insist? Even a parent can't insist their children. They have to understand their viewpoint. Similarly, a child cannot insist parent that whatever I say you have to listen. Or your friends or relatives, sister, brothers, anyone. See, that gives rise to possessiveness. So, what is there? What is missing? Missing is we don't want to put ourselves in that position and think. If we put ourselves in that position and think, then we'll be understanding everyone. Then the chance of getting angry will be just minimum. And you will feel satisfied and happy that see, you understand others. And that gives you more satisfaction. Now, second big thing in today's world is ego. So many people have told you also, you might have listened that ego is towards ego. But we think, we listen, but in operation, hardly we do practical. Why? There is a only little line between ego and self-respect. Ego is something that I am the one who is God, who knows everything, others don't know anything. I have got the right to tell everyone what is wrong and what is right. But do we know exactly what is right and what is wrong? No. Self-respect is that I do honestly, but I don't expect anything. When you don't expect anything and you do with pure dedications, there comes the self-respect. When you do not expect anything from others, then definitely you can expect that thing from others, that they respect you. This is the self-respect. Don't allow anyone to abuse you, to degrade you, is self-respect. A very simple thing. When ego is not satisfied, then again same thing. You talk so many wrong things about others, you criticize others, that is a negativity. Now, next thing according to me is dissatisfaction. See, every person has many desires, many wants, but practically we have to understand that how many of this is in our reach. You can't go beyond your reach, maybe mentally, physically, or financially. So first you understand. Suppose I have got a very good flat, nice happy family. Then I say, oh God, why don't I have a big bungalow? Now this is a dissatisfaction. I've got everything, but then also I crave for the things which I don't have. So I can't enjoy the present moment. I can't be happy. I can't make others happy because I am unhappy. So this is negativity. You have everything, but then you crave for other things which you don't have. always saying that look in the present, don't look in the past, and the future is to be constructed. So please construct in a good way. Then you will be happy. You can live happily even in the flat. You don't need a bungalow, do you? What you need is a cooperation, a happy, good family, good environment. I've seen people living in one room, kitchen also getting very happiness. But in a big bungalow, they are not happy. So it is us that whatever I have, I'm satisfied. And this satisfaction gives happiness, and that happiness you emit to all the persons who are coming very close to you. One more thing which is always I feel is important is jealousy. Even a small kid, he is jealous of other kid. Mama, see, his dress is so nice. I hate. It is nice, but color is not good. See, two contradictions. And that shows that underlying his attitude of jealous. He's jealous of that kid because he doesn't have the same dress. Similarly, a teenagers. One friend has a very good girlfriend and I don't have. Then what I say? It's okay. His girlfriend is okay, but not my type. Why? Because you're jealous. But you can't show this. But that jealousy is inside you, which makes you unhappy. This unhappiness is negativity. Please, never be jealous. You can't be like other people because God has made us unique. What you are, you are. Make your best. Whatever capacities, abilities you have, please nurture it, grow it. You can't copy others. Your identity will be lost. Don't lose your identity. So there is no point of getting jealous. And the last and very important is pessimistic. In today's young generation, I many times hear that before the results or after the results, the student committed suicide. Even heartbreak. Because the girlfriend ditched me or boyfriend ditched me, I committed suicide. Why? Is this the end of the life? No. This is not the end of the life. If you do not get success in one attempt, try to understand what you missed, where you went wrong. Rectify your errors and go ahead. Success will be yours. And maybe God has some big plan for you, which you don't understand now. A friend ditched you. Why don't you understand that the person was not proper for you? Nice that God has saved you now only. For that silly reason to commit suicide. Is it sensible? No. It's just a foolishness, dear. Don't be pessimistic. Be every time optimistic. I got less percentage. Okay. At least I passed out and now I should understand where I went wrong. Next time I will try to make things proper. In business, suppose I made loss. Okay. Find out the reason for it. If you know the reason, next time you're not going to make the mistake and you will not be able to make any loss. Life is very short. During this lifetime, you have to achieve many things. Why to waste this birth? This birth is very precious. We are not animals. We are human beings. We have got heart as well as we have got mind. Only thing is we have to use it properly. Just use it properly. Don't be pessimistic with a small instant. Life is full of many ups and downs. We have to accept this. And every incident always teaches us something. We should try to understand that. That we can understand when we are optimistic, when our mind is open. So dear friends, I think that if you are optimistic, your life will be full of hope. There will be nothing hopelessness in your life. And you will enjoy the life. That's all for this is all for today. If you like my video, please turn black thumbs up to blue and subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by pressing the bell icon. And do share my video and comment whether you like it or not. And follow me on my other social link in description box. I've written a book on the numerology which is known as the Msytery of Numerology, in which I have given many things. Along with that, I have even given how you can increase your positive vibrations so that even in the bad situations, you will be comfortable. Thank you, friends. That's all for today. Thank you.